Hello folks, Midwest F-150 here with another video. I'm just taking another look at the oil filter here and all the contaminants that I had recorded in my previous video, and it just still blows my mind a little bit, whether it's from the motorcraft filter or something from the engine. I wanted to make this video to cover a few comments I've read in my previous video uploads. One very interesting conversation I had was on the long-term effects of the Valvoline Restore and Protect, specifically on the engine seals. Let me first, preface this by saying that I'm not a chemist and I have no expertise in oil, and I'm simply a guy just trying to get his truck to 500,000 miles, and I enjoy crowdsourcing information to get there. So one commenter shared that if the detergent levels on the Restore and Protect weren't higher, it would perform just like any other oil. The commenter also shared that in order for this oil to provide the level of cleaning that it does, it would require a lot of detergents, an amount that could potentially degrade gaskets and seals over time. Again, I'm not an oil expert, but this logic really makes sense to me. So I went to dig into Valvoline's website on this product and could not find anything confirming that it is good or bad on seals and gaskets. I took it a step further and reached out to Valvoline on this, and they said that there is no risk to seals or gasket and that this oil can be used for the lifetime of the engine. I went on to ask what allows the Restore and Protect to achieve the cleaning ability, and was told that the additive and chemistry information is proprietary information and is not released by their formulators. I know a lot of folks swear by certain oil brands, but let me know in the comments what your take is on how this product works. Let's have a dialogue in the comments section. Also, if you enjoy the content I've put out, please consider subscribing. It really helps. All right, well, thank you.